always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. Some spots near the lakeshore are digging out from about a foot of snow that occurred over the past couple of days here. Thankfully, it is going to be quiet and cold outside for tonight. Another winter storm is poised to enter for tomorrow afternoon, though, and that's going to bring another dose of moderate to heavy snow here to West Michigan. In addition to that, the wind is going to be a much larger factor, with gusts ranging between 30 and 45 miles per hour on both Wednesday and Thursday. There's the view outside in South Haven right now, a pretty scene after a foot of snow fell. As you can see, some breaks in the clouds. We'll also get a peek outdoors in Grand Rapids, where you can find a bit of snow which has fallen today, and we do still have great conditions. The temperature at 30 degrees. The wind is steered in from the south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Current temperatures where you are, you can see that those range between 30 and 35 degrees. 31 for Greenville, 33 in Holland, 32 right now in Sturgis, and the wind is fairly weak. We have that between about 5 and 15 miles per hour. 15 in Benton Harbor, 19 miles per hour in Battle Creek, currently 7 miles per hour in Greenville, and at 5 in Fremont. That is reducing those feels-like temperatures down to between 20 and 30 degrees here in West Michigan. Let's look at Storm Track Live now. You can see that we've had the progression of some snow showers. Those have scraped across US 131 now, and you can see that those are currently centered near Ionia and Greenville. Very light accumulations expected with this. There could be as much as about a half an inch of additional accumulation in Montcalm and also Mecosta County. Let's look at our low temperatures for tonight. Those are likely to drop down into the 20s here in the area. A low temperature of 24 degrees in Grand Rapids, 23 in Hastings. Further south, anticipating temperatures to fall to 22 in Paw Paw, a little bit warmer toward the lakefront, 29 degrees, the overnight low in South Haven. Tomorrow, there is going to be an increasing chance at a mix and some snow. There could be a couple of raindrops at first, given the high temperature just above the freezing point, but it looks like the bulk of the precipitation is going to come in the form of snow. Lake effect snow will become heavier moving into Thursday, with some windy and cold weather taking over. There's a look at that winter storm watch that takes effect as we move through the second half of the day on Wednesday. It finishes out as we get to Thursday night with a fresh 3 to 8 inches of snowfall, winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour. And with the wind and the falling snow, we're going to have much larger impacts in relation to visibility, which could be lowered to about a quarter of a mile at times with the falling snow. Here's how things play out on Futurecast. You can see that we're in for a pretty quiet night out there. Just the possibility of a couple of light snow showers moving up toward Big Rapids and Newaygo County. As we get into tomorrow, you can see that we'll have some waves of precipitation pass through. Again, it looks like at first it could be just warm enough that we have a few raindrops mixing in with the snowflakes. Getting into tomorrow afternoon, the snow intensifies, and by 5 o'clock, it looks like it's really going to get going here across West Michigan. You can see that banding nature to the snow. Again, lake effect is going to be a factor here as this continues to roll through, and it's not likely until we get to Thursday evening that we'll start to see the snow wind down. There could be as much as 5 to 8 inches of snow that stacks up in the darker shade of blue on your screen. Grand Rapids in line for about 3 to 5 inches, and then the amounts taper off as you head further inland. Again, the wind is also going to be pretty forceful here, expecting that to gust between 30 and 45 miles per hour as the storm system moves through. And let's get a look then at our 8-day forecast. It shows that we are going to have some chilly conditions as we continue forward here. Highs in the upper 20s Thursday and Friday, warming things up next week. Brittany?